Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're looking to top up your Amazon Pay wallet using a credit card, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. It's super easy, fast, and with the 2025 updates, it's even more secure and user-friendly. Whether you're a frequent shopper or just need some extra funds for that last-minute purchase, this method will get you sorted in under a minute. First things first, make sure you have the latest Amazon app installed on your phone or access the website on your computer. Once you're logged in, head over to the Amazon Pay section. You can find this by tapping on the menu icon, usually 3 lines in the top left or right corner, and scrolling down to Amazon Pay, or searching for it directly. Now, inside Amazon Pay, look for the option that says, Add Money to Wallet. It's prominently displayed, so you won't miss it. Once you click on that, you'll see a screen where you can enter the amount you want to add. Choose an amount that suits your needs. Remember, there's often a daily limit, so keep that in mind for 2025 regulations. Next, select Credit Card as your payment method. If your card isn't saved already, you'll need to enter the details: card number, expiry date, CVV, and the name on the card. Double-check everything to avoid any errors. After that, hit Add Money or Confirm, and you'll be prompted to authenticate the transaction. This could be via OTP sent to your registered phone number or through your bank's app, thanks to enhanced security features in 2025. Once the payment is verified, the money will be instantly added to your Amazon Pay wallet. That's it, you're all set. A quick tip: always use a secure network when handling financial transactions, and keep an eye on any promotional offers that might give you cashback or rewards for adding money this way. There you have it, folks. Adding money to your Amazon Pay wallet with a credit card is a breeze. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.